Oh, okay. I guess that wasn't recording. So this is my first video, testing the volume, seeing how loud this is. Can't quite figure out why it looks like my eyes are up in the corner of the screen. Never really noticed that timer on there before. Probably regret doing this. And starting a YouTube channel, making videos about just different things. I guess everyone needs an outlet, and this is what I'm going to use as mine. So this is my office. Obviously, we're in Wisconsin because there's a Packers clock behind me, and it's getting very cold. It's November of 2019. We don't have much snow on the ground yet, but polar bear season is coming up. I don't know. I'm just going to play this back and see what it looks like, and maybe get on a topic tomorrow.